eighth graders. Welcome to virtual orientation. My name is Miss Hyland. I am the Algebra 1 CP teacher here at VHS. It's my second year at our lovely high school, and I could not be more excited to be starting a third year next school year with all of you lovely students. Here at VHS, you can expect to be creative, discuss ideas with your peers, learn from each other, learn from your teachers, feel cared for by your teachers, and overall just have a really great time and have a lot of fun. And all of that is especially true in your math classes, especially I can say for Algebra 1 CP. I know high school transitions can be a little bit difficult. They can be a little scary sometimes, maybe a little intimidating, but all of us here at VHS, whether you have a teacher or not, all of us here are ready and excited to help you make that transition and to make your time at VHS the best that it can possibly be. And I know I can speak for especially in your math classes. We are so excited to help grow not only your knowledge, but to help grow you as a student across all courses, across all subjects, lessons that you can really carry with you throughout the rest of your high school career. So, keep working hard in eighth grade. Keep doing the best that you can. Keep having as much fun as you can, especially through all of this colder weather. But we couldn't be more excited to have you at the end of the year. Enjoy your last moments in eighth grade, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.